Hi guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. This is the beginning of a new vlog. Welcome back to the channel. What's up with you guys? So guys, today is Saturday and today's vlog is starting on a Saturday. I hope I continue this vlog from Saturday till on Monday or Friday when I can end the vlog. So guys, today I'm going out. I'm going to my girlfriend's house. I've not been there for long, so I just want to go and visit her because it's weekend. I'm not doing anything at home, so I decided to go. They are doing travel in this place, so we look disorganized, but super grab, no problem. So yeah, let's go guys. I'm fully dressed. I love this my hair and I can't remember where I get it from, but I love it. It's really cute. Can you guys see that? Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, let's go. I'm going with my kids though, so because there is nobody at home, so I just have to pack all of them with me. So let's go. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, let's go right into the vlog. Hi. We don't need it again. We throw it away.
You know something that is funny.
Guys, our food is ready. White rice and stew. So we are back now. So we are back home. I'm about to make dinner and relax. If it's just left to me alone, I will not make anything because we ate there, as you guys saw. So, but I have to make food for my husband. So yeah, let me make dinner. I'll see you guys some other time. Bye. Fish and fry some plantain first. Not every time, but mommy. Hi love. So guys, I'm going out. I want to quickly run a few errands around, nothing serious. Guys, do you know I got this earring for just €3? And it's this cute, like it's so cute. Ignore that. So guys, I'm going out. I want to run some quick errand and just come back home. Guys, the weather is cold and we are not in winter yet too, and it's this cold. Just ignore whatever noise you are hearing. They are doing a lot of renovation around this area, so it's kind of disturbing. So guys, I'm going out. I'm fully dressed. My son is in the process already and my daughter have gone to school, so let's go out. Let's go and run some quick errand. Yeah, come with us. Let's go. Get to where we are coming to and they said they are locked. They normally open by 1 to 6, so have to go home and come back again. Like the stress of leaving the house and finding out that where you are coming to, they don't allow anybody in 1 o'clock and it's just past 11. God, we're going back home. We'll come back by 1 or 2. I don't even know at this point. So see you guys later. Bye. I pray I don't miss my boss.
Why you so
for church this morning. Hi guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if this is a new vlog or not, but today is Sunday and we are going to church. So this is my face, this is my makeup. I did something light, not too much, and I love it. So yeah, I look cute. I'll look for someone to record me so I can show you guys my full outfit. I look cute this morning. I look put together. I love it for me. Let me know if you went to church this morning. Let me know in the comment section down below, okay? Done from church. Today's service was amazing. Look, my makeup is still thick. My makeup is still so cute. So want to go and get some few things in the Africa shop before we go home every Sunday. Like, she's becoming a tradition.